Hey guys, Mr. Hatt here, and today we're going to be playing a game called Rain World. In my last video I did a poll to see if you guys wanted a live stream series or a edited version, and the results were in favor of the edited version. So that doesn't mean I won't be doing the live streams, it's just that I'm probably going to be doing this series in an edited version, which is probably going to be better for everyone, because, yeah, we'll see. So, we're gonna start the game right here. 1 second. There we go. Okay. New game. Ooh. That's fancy. It's a big tree. I've also heard this game was, I think, like, the main, like, character is, like, a slug and a cat. Huh. So, I had some good artists working on this. It's like multiple layers of stuff. Alright, so they eat tiny bats. I think that's me, the main character. No! No! I'm depressed now. Oh. Oh no. It's not me, is it? Did I just die there? Oh no, I'm fine, because I can swim. But now I'm all alone. Whew, here we go. Rain World. Alright. I'm ready. Okay, so we start out. We're a little slug thing. Oh, we're using the arrows to move. That's interesting. Alright, moving on. Ooh. Gonna crawl under the thing. What's the thing I'm holding? Is that like a, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Dang, these are some good graphics right here. Is that food? Hello, food? No, okay. We'll move on. What is it? We'll see. There's no music in the background. It's just kind of an awkward silence. Ooh, I can climb this pole here. Okay. Can I go over here? I can. What? Wait, is that thing... Oh, he's giving me guide, maybe? Ooh, moths. Catch and eat them. Okay. Alright. Ah, these controls are tricky. Ah. I got it. Okay, do I just... Oh, I see. I hold shift to eat it. Someone... Alright, yep, got him. Delicious. I probably should turn on offline mode, but... Oh well. And... 4 is enough to hibernate. Why would I need to hibernate? Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna get some extra. Because I'm extra. Alright, that's all of them. Going back down. Alright, wants me to go down there, so we're gonna head down there. Jump and grab them, they're delicious. How do I jump? I keep on forgetting these simple controls. Why can't I? Oh, it's because I was crouching. Wow! struggle is real. Just let me get up there. Why am I struggling? There we go. Okay. Got it. Delicious. I am full. Indeed. Now where? You want me to go? Just back? Okay. We'll head back. Okie doke. We're gonna head over there. We can go down here. Leap the gap. Oh, I see. Ooh, neat. Gonna do that. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, rain is coming. Ooh, we better. Oh! Let's find some shelter. I think rain is a bad thing in this game. Let's head over there pretty fast because that looks a little ominous. Alright, we're gonna hibernate in here. Oh, dang. How to hibernate. Oh, we're sleeping. I think we're heading on to the next level, so let us continue. Hope you guys like my new hat, by the way. Ooh. Can I? Yeah, there we go. So it looks like we're in some sort of fallen... Wait, go explore. There's food and shelter, but beware of predators. Okay. So it looks like we're in some sort of fallen society. Whoa, what were you trying to tell me there? Shift. I see. Why do I need to... Oh, dang. Maybe it wants me to throw it into there. Dang it, I gotta go get that now. Why do I need to pick up these things? I guess I don't really need to. Let's explore. Alright. Okay, that was useless. Moving on. Let's climb. Nope, I changed my mind. Let's go down here. Ooh, food. Food galore. I have enough to hibernate now, but why not have extra? Okay, let's go. Yeah. What? Almost had him. They just disappeared. Why would they disappear? No, they're all dying. I gotta eat them before they die. There we go. Stop struggling. There's no use. Oh, I guess I'm back. Okay, let's go back over there then. We can toss the bats. That's funny. There we go. We can climb back up. And let's see where we can go. I guess we can head up here. Here we go. So, looks like we... Oh, there's a predator. That's spooky. He doesn't look like he wants to be friends. Okay, let's go back to this room. I feel like, oh, never mind. He's not gonna follow me. Oh, he is. Okay, let's run away then. Help! Gotta go fast. Okay, I think we lost him. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. Okay, he's gone now. Alright, ooh. Oh, there are two of them now. Okay. We gotta hurry. What? Okay. That's freaky, and they're following me. They're following me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. Okay, let's run. We gotta run. Oh crap. Oh no. Nope, nope, nope. What is it doing? Oh, this is freaky. Which way do I go? This one, I'm surrounded. Okay, we're just gonna hop across. What does it want me to do? Run, 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 run. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No! No! Oh, that was close. And I'm still in danger. Whew, we escaped. Or maybe. We'll see. Can I kill them with rock? Because that would be stupid. That I just spent all that time running away. And I can just kill them with the rock. Alright. For curiosity's sake, we're gonna try to kill these dudes. I guess they can't climb poles. Oh gosh, oh no! We have to be on the same level as them if we want to throw something. I'm frightened. So's me frightened. Why do I keep on falling? I guess this is a chance to try to throw it at him if I can get down there. No! I'm not. It's too risky. There are three of them. I'm jumping. No! No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. How did he get up there? Okay. Oh, there he is. Let's leave now. I feel like they're gonna somehow find a way to get over here. Alright. I think the hint guide person thing told me that the hibernation place was over there. But I can't reach that. So we're gonna go around here. And I can't jump. Alright, so we're all full. Alright. Looks like we can go down here. Aha, then go over here. Then we can go around here. Alright. That works out. Yeah, I think I can. Oh dear. Oh no. I'm stuck. Ah! Why? Gotta go through all that again. Be right back. Freaking. Why won't it let me grab? Okay. Ah! Okay. I think we made it. I'm not gonna speak too soon though. Alright, there we go. Okay. Were we just here? No. This is new. Let's head around town. Alright. What's over here though? Ow. Okay. Let's not get rained on, huh? Oh, I guess there's a time limit. Am I going backwards? I'm going backwards. No. Am I? If I am, then I'm doomed. Because it's about to rain. Oh no. No. Nope. I'm just a tiny... I'm a slug cat thing. Oh, I think I see it. Exit. Oh, I'm doomed. It is over. It is over for me. No. I don't know where to go. Maybe this way's an exit. We gotta go back. And I'm dead. I am dead as a doornail. Yep, I'm dead. There's no use. I don't know where to find shelter. I can't even see anything. No. How did I get in here in the first place? Oh wait, I think I see an exit. But it's over there by the intense rain. It's over. It is over. Well. That was interesting. I guess that ends our first episode of Rain World. I hope you guys enjoyed. I totally failed and died. Hopefully when I restart, I will have a better shot at finding shelter. So, see you guys in the next episode. Bye.